How to fix Discord video not playing. So if you want to fix the Discord video not playing, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, then if it is not the internet connection, then you just need to simply proceed with the next step, which is you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. Once you're here, go with search, and under search you need to search for Discord. Once you search for Discord, you may have an update option. So if you have any updates under your Discord, then you just need to simply go and update. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then simply tap and hold on to your Discord application. Go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, go with storage and cache. Under that, go with clear cache. Now, once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting you need to uninstall your Discord application and again install it from your Play Store or your App Store, and then log into your account, and after that your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.